How to send USDT from Bybit to Telegram wallet. In this tutorial, we're going to look at a step-by-step process on how you can do that. First off, open up Bybit wallet and then from here, make sure that you are logged in. Now, in order to take note of how much USDT you have to send, you can head over to the Assets menu at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're here, just take note of the USDT you have and then tap on the Withdraw button. Then you can just search for USDT here and then select your coin. Now, to choose a network here, we know that Telegram wallet usually use TON or Tron network, so you can just select TRC20 or the TON network. And once you've done that, you can go to your Telegram wallet. Once you get to Telegram wallet, just go ahead and tap on USDT. If you don't see it, you can just tap on Send from this wallet and select USDT from here. Then tap on Receive and select your network. It could be TRC20 Tron or TON network. Tap on continue and copy the wallet address. Go back to your Bybit and paste the address there. Then you can just go ahead and enter your amount that you want to transfer and then tap on withdraw. It's going to take some time, but you will get your USDT from Bybit to Telegram wallet. And that's basically it. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.